Taking a look today at the UVOOI 6FT XLR cable 5-pack, a set designed for connecting microphones, mixers, speakers, and various audio and lighting equipment. These cables boast hi-fi sound quality, achieved through an oxygen-free all-copper conductor. This material is key for lossless signal transmission and resists oxidation and corrosion, ensuring the signal stays pure over time. The shielding is also a major factor, featuring a double-shielded design. This construction is effective at blocking out most clutter and interference signals, significantly reducing hum and noise to deliver high-fidelity audio. The connectors themselves are built with durability and reliability in mind. They use a zinc alloy housing paired with solid copper silver-plated XLR pins. A standout feature is the self-locking male and female connector design. This means once plugged in, the connection is secure and won't accidentally pull out. Disconnecting is simple, requiring just a press of the unlock button. This self-locking mechanism provides a stable link between devices with XLR ports, while still being easy to manage. The cable jacket is made from high-quality, highly flexible PVC. Compared to standard PVC, this material is more durable and less likely to crack or get tangled. This flexibility and robustness contribute to a longer lifespan for the cables. The integral molding around the connectors adds further protection, preventing damage that can occur from loose or broken connections at the stress points. With their standard 3-pin XLR connectors, these cables offer wide compatibility. They work perfectly with microphones, stage lighting, DMX lights, mixing consoles, power amplifiers, speaker systems, and more. Whether it's for a stage setup, a club, KTV, a home theater, or a radio station, these cables are versatile enough for many different audio and lighting environments. Coming in a convenient 5-pack at a 6-foot length, this set provides multiple cables for various connections without excessive link clutter. It's a practical solution for setting up multiple microphones or linking different pieces of gear. It's also worth noting the manufacturer backs these cables with an 18-month warranty and offers 24-hour email support, providing peace of mind. Overall, the UVOOI 6FT XLR cable 5-pack appears to be a solid choice for anyone needing reliable, well-shielded cables for their audio or lighting setup, offering good build quality and performance features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.